A ball moving with a velocity 2 meters per second collides head-on with another stationary ball of double the mass. So this is the ball which is having mass m, moving with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Collides head-on with another stationary ball. So this is stationary ball and this is 2m, and the velocity, initial velocity, is 0. If the coefficient of restitution is 0.5, then their velocities will be, so let us say this velocity will be v1 and this velocity, 2m's velocity, will be v2. So first, momentum conservation. So therefore m into 2 meters per second plus 0 will be equal to m into v1 plus 2m into v2. Gone. So therefore v1 plus 2v2 is equal to 2. That is the first. Now coefficient of restitution is 0.5. So therefore E is equal to 0.5, which is velocity of separation by velocity of approach. So v2 minus v1 by velocity of approach is 2. So therefore v2 minus v1 is equal to 1 second. Now we add both of them, so therefore it will become 3v2. Like adding first equation plus second equation gives us 3v2 is equal to 3. So therefore v2 is equal to 1 meter per second, and v1 is going to be 0. Okay, because 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So therefore v1 is equal to 0. So therefore the velocities will be 0 and 1, which is the answer is A. Thank you.